In this 5-video series, we're going to talk about effective advertising strategies. Number 1, choosing the right brand image. One of the first steps in creating an effective advertising strategy is to choose the right brand image for your business. It doesn't matter if your business is large or small. Branding is an important part of advertising and marketing your business effectively. Your brand is the way other people identify your business. It needs to denote your values, your identity, and the type of customers you want to work with. Define your brand. The very first thing you need to do is to look at your product, services, and the customers you want to work with to help you express your branding. This branding information should be used to promote your business to your ideal audience. The best course of action is to find the emotions in your brand that matter to your audience. Determine your business's value. One way to build your branding image is to think of your brand as a human being. What individual characteristics make up your business? Put values on your business that you put on yourself if they'll attract your audience. Know what your business stands for. Get a piece of paper and write down what your business believes in. Write down your business's purpose and how your brand does something that means something to your audience. What is the one defining thing that your business does? It could be it solves problems such as making it easy to get noodles out of a pot of boiling water, or it saves time. Work on building long-term relationships. One way to come to the right branding image for your business is to get to know your customers more. Your audience knows what they want, and the more you can get to know them and their values, the better you'll be at creating the right brand image. Find your business's voice. Just like people, a business has a voice. It speaks to its audience and customers with a specific tone. The tone you speak to your customers with should remain consistent regardless of the channels you're using to communicate with them. Create key messaging. It's important to have specific messaging developed that you can use again and again, but say it differently each time. There are many ways to say the same thing to your audience using different terms and examples. You can use email messages, blog posts, videos, and more. Use a variety of different ways and means to ensure you get your message out. Be unique to your business. You don't want to copy and be like every other business out there. Of course, there are certain norms that your audience will expect, but you want to stand out and be different. Differentiating yourself from your competitors will make you stand out from the crowd. Stand for something you believe in. One thing that's great about having a small business that focuses on an audience is that you don't have to worry about the type of bureaucracy that a huge business deals with. You can stand for something awesome that your audience will relate to. Never dilute your brand positioning. Keeping your brand distinctive is an important part of creating your brand image. Don't allow outside pressures to cause you to dilute your brand's voice. Today, branding is more than a logo. It's more than the image you put on your banner on your website. It's a feeling that your audience and customers embrace and take with them from the moment they view your marketing materials.